วยมากมาก
Grand Palace Restaurant. Eat. Yes, go to
Head northwest.
Lalakarin natin papunta doon. Hi! We're back. Saan daw?
Oh. Ano ba tayo dito? Yung tunnel. Okay. We're going down. Hey, hey. Oh, nice na yun. Malay nyo. Attract natin. Wow. Eh, that's good. Para tayo na sa ano? Airport ng ano? Macau. Nice, yung mga ano pa. Map. That's good. Masarap tumambay dito sa malamig. That's good.
Lahat ka lang dito.
Ate. Ate siya. Yung nga yung tawiran. Parang subway sa ano?
Japan?
Sa HQ.
Alam mo, pag-Japan.
Eh, meron ako nalaro, parang ganito itsura.
Nirangkap natin. Punta na kumain.
Ayan na nga ata. Na somewhere dyan.
Ayun mo. Kung binilik tayo na manifest.
So, taga bumalik dito eh, ng umaga eh. Yun na, sa dulo. Oh.
Drinks lang yan, walang food siya.
I think this one. Ay, alam ko ito yun eh. Ito yun.
Wala, nag-aircon na. Nice.
我是啊，
Ito yun, yung parang ulam natin lahat. Sinalumpia? Lumpia.
Go lang kayo na pumili. Go lang.
Lumpia pa ito. Ilan? 8 pieces?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ararara. Nga madali sila guys. Gusto ito nila mawala lahat agad ng ano, ng customer. Ganun
Pwede ba
yan.
sa lamin?
Usyo. Naka-record yan.
Oo nga eh. Ikaw. Arte. Okay na yan. Wala kasi dati.
Actually, we're back na. Dito kami kumain dati sa dulo.
45 years na pala.
Isang oras.
Doon tayo natin nilibit yun eh.
Sarap-sarap.
Kayo muna, bubibidyoan ko kayo. ba? Binalik
Okay na.
tayo dito eh. Ano totoo yun? Oh. Alam mo namang di ko kaya maanghang. Worth it ba ang nilakad?
Kalaso siya.
Ah.
Sa Vietnam.
Ah,
Yung ano nila, warm po.
talaga? Oh, pakatagaan mo to.
Sa Popa.
Parang magkasunod na.
Oo. Sarap diba?
Hang ito.
Ang ha.
Ang fried pala yan. Sige lang, go lang.
Where you come from? People Thai.
Philippines.
Philippines, same to Thai.
Oh,
Yes.
same
I think
time.
you people Thai.
Yes.
Yes.
Second home.
แต่ว่า the Philippines very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
YouTube. Kun. Suway Mac.
โอ้ไม่แล้วแก่แล้ว own
On?
On?
On.
68 68เชียร์แล้ว own โอเคเนี่ย special for you new model
Yes.
you holiday
Yes.
Yes, holiday.
Yes,
Yes.
very.
the you Philippines Indonesia Philippines
Philippines.
Philippines yeah.
Yes.
How
Yeah.
are you
Ay,
Wow, thank you.
sis.
Gusto nga nila sa akin.
Oo nga eh.
Natin. Oo nga.
Beautiful eyes.
Kontaktan to.
Kalutuatan mo mo, ganyan yung mata.
Ay, bagay sa'yo na, Paps. Try mo.
Parang may ganito na ako last time eh. Yung dapat yung may UV eh.
May UV to. Hello.
Mukha kasi ako action star pag ito.
นี่ไงมิล่ะ
Yes? Ah, mirror. Okay. Yung brown.
Para masusukin mo.
No?
yeah happy good day
Can you say hi?
happy good day
Thank you.
thank you so much okay
Can I view?
okay
Yay!
สวัสดีนะคะ อันนี้สวยมากมาก very beautiful
Thank you. You too.
Picture kaya.
Yo, you should visit her store.
Near Grand Palace.
เดี๋ยวแกนพาเลตเนี่ยแกนพาเลตไอเดกูช็อปคุณเปียช็อป
Okay.
Yeah.
Near the gate. Near the gate. Near the
Yeah,
pier.
yeah.
The
Yeah,
pier.
yeah.
Let's take photo. Picture.
โอเค
One, two, three. Yim. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
ไอpicture for you
Picture?
Oh,
โอเค
Ah, wow.
ayun.
โอเคโอเคโอเคโอเค
Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
โอเคขอบคุณค่ะ
Bye. See you soon. Bye bye. Ah, this one?
Binanggit niya eh.
Yes.
Ah, that one.
Oh, that one. Can I take a video? Okay.
คุณเปียช็อป
Oh, yeah.
yeah
Good. Yeah, sure.
yeah
That
คุณเปียช็อป
one.
เปีย
Oh.
เปียเปียไอตอนที่ไอชิลเดนไอเดลองแฮไอเดลองแฮเงี้ย
โอ้
เปียคืออย่างเงี้ยไทยแลนด์เซเปียก็
Ah,
เป็น
braid.
เนี่ยอย่าง
Yeah.
เปียเนี่ยอันเนี้ยเนี้ยเปีย
So,
Oh.
Oh. เพราะชิลเดนไอลองแฮ
You were
Yeah.
long
ยา
hair.
ลองแฮก็เลยเปีย
Ah, Pia.
นี่เนี่ยอาลี
Ay, paano magpa-solo photo tayo sa kanya?
ยาเปีย
Yeah.
เปียแฮเปีย
That's nice.
next year you come back
Yes.
Yes.
I have two son
I have two
son
sons.
you lawyer I show you
Ayun.
Oh.
Chinika tayo.
Oh.
one son
Oh.
yeah one son
Oh.
the lawyer
That's your son.
I have two son
Wow. Oh.
the lawyer, yeah.
Yes.
The good boy.
Handsome.
You're very handsome.
Handsome. อันนี้ 39, 35.
Oh.
No smoking, no drink, meditation every day.
Wow.
เพราะว่าไอcancer, the color. My husband, my son, you meditation every day. I like happy.
Oh.
Good
I do
people.
work.
Yeah, they're very good people.
You come back okay เนี่ย
Yes. Yes. That's your son.
Yeah, son.
Your
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
same. คนนี้คนนี้ เอาคนนี้
Wow,
Yeah.
handsome.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he's very
Yeah.
handsome.
อันนี้คืออันนี้ อันนี้คืออันนี้
Oh.
last year you บวช but people Thai ต้องโอเค20 year you ต้อง the Buddha
Oh.
yeah about 7 months อยู่ก็โอเค open เดี๋ยวอยู่ก็มา
That's nice.
I the good boy
Yes.
People.
people thank you so much
Thank you so
next year
much.
you come back โอเค
Yes.
โอเคขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you so much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you so
What is your
much.
name
Shana.
Chana
Popa.
โปปะ
Sha.
ชา
Shots.
อาลี
Ali.
nickname เปีย
Apia.
That's nice.
you happy you come back
Yes, happy.
happy
Nice meeting you, Pia.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Kunpia.
I think you same my daughter
Oh,
Yay.
like daughter.
yeah I think you daughter but I have two son
Ah, yes.
you ก็ think I mama
Amanda,
Yeah.
me.
แม่
แม่
โอ้ยเก่งแม่
แม่
โอเคแม่ Happy good day
Oo nga eh.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
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 Thank you. That's so cool. Kaya nga. Ali.
Braid pala yun.
Braid. Parang palayaw niya ng bata pa siya sa mabang ang buhok niya.
Oo, yan na naman.
Saka tirintas. Buti na lang bumili tayo ng shades.
Hintay ko pa. Bye.
Until 7 p.m. pala. Wow! So good. Wow. Ticket.
Yes, 3.
Ano?
Kung may ticket. Sumusuklian yung...
Oo nga. Nausi ako sa black kong hat. Ay, sabi pala ni Bu, grayish naman to.
Hindi ate, gray. Hindi siya black. Hindi siya black.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Pupunta.
Ganda lang.
Pakita mo ano? Oh.
Ganda.
Labas ko ng phone ko. Hi! Pakita ulit natin Pops sa place.
First time namin dito sa Watben. Sorry, Watben.
Ganda guys, oh. Tignan niyo. Wow. Nay. Say hi. Nay, Ran.
Mirror mo.
Yay. Ganda.
Masaya na lang.
Kasi balang araw.
Oo nga eh.
Mag-document yan.
Ito na lang sa... Ikaw man ate, sinusunod tayo.
Oh, France.
Ang muna pong Philippines. Ano meron? Nalagay ko. Sunod-sunod tayo. Ito nakita mo?
Oo. Very ready.
Ready na sa ano? Autograph sa...
Yeah, may refreshments guys. Ice cream! Ice cream! Cute, no? Ice cream.
Hop. Inumin lang niya. Uy. Uy. Arte.
Mm.
Namig.
Freshin. Ganda na weather.
Kaya nga eh. Guys. Parang tayo.
Kita yung ano. Ay, ito sa yeah. Oo nga, na-bike nga natin to. That's nice. Please at this one order one person. Of course, di pwedeng tambay dito guys. In short. Tara. Hello. Okay, thank you. Right. Wow, looks so good. Saan sa loob mo po?
Doon yun sa labas eh.
Or gusto na dito na lang sa loob? Ganda.
กี้เห็นใบจากที่ของ
Oh, sunset.
Nice. Ganda nga ng ilaw eh, oh.
Oo nga. Ganda.
Ganda ng ano.
Ang tao.
That's nice. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Picture natin.
Ito kita pa eh.
Naging honest ako before ako kumain. Bukod sa pinuntahan namin to dahil sa Limor, kailangan namin mag-charge. So, parang kasi pag cafe, given na dapat may charging area, pero di ba ka ganun ng concept? Tapos nung binigay ko yung, hindi, pinakita ko yung phone ko sa charger. Sabi, iwan ko daw sa counter. Nung una, desperate na ako eh. Tinanong ko yung mga kapatid ko. Hindi talaga yung personal thing kasi.
Yeah.
So yun, yun lang yung cons dito. Kung kailangan nyo kasi talagang mag-charge. Patulad namin.
Vlogger ka.
Oo, mag-vlogger ka buong araw ka naka-data. Pero tingnan natin sa food.
Sige nga. Ito masarap. Ano saan niya?
Bumawi sa food. Ang sarap.
Grabe guys. Parang pang 3 tao yung ano.
Sarap ah.
salad. Lumaubos ko to.
Kaya mo yan. Hindi ako makasandal dito pa sa likod.
Yun, lasang salad. Yup.
You don't feel the same. Would a burning pain? Listen, run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say that when I talk to you, oh Cupidos.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ Thank you.
Oh, video natin.
Now can I play a beautiful Thai song?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will try my best. Been singing this song for a long time, but I will try the best for you.
Yeah.
เธออยู่กับฉันไม่อาจจะเปิดเผยใจออก
Naghahanap ka? Oo nga, naalala ko.
May likod namin na boat.
Kaya nga.
Kailangan namin umupo.
True.
Ito talaga ng gym.
Totoo.
Parang ano mo.
Mamaya ka na.
Ikaw ba?
Mamaya ka.
Hi, Coach. Hi, Coach Mark. Coach Zoe. Coach Joe.
Hi, Coach.
ATF Fitness.
Yun pala yun, pa nag-travel.
ATF Fitness. Thank you. Physical stamina.
Yes, you know.
Hindi daw yan. Hindi yan.
Ha?
Ito Chuck Nightmare.
Hindi yan. Ayun, Sandy yun eh. Si Sandy. Diba? CR muna kami. Ito yung CR guys, sa may indie. Grabe. Kabisado pa rin natin.
Hindi nga dyan tayo binaba kasi hindi ko na alam kung saan yung nag-CR. Nagganito tayo. Resident pa tayo dito.
Ano? Resident na.
Okay, ka-uniform.
Dali namin kayo sa sulok-sulok ng chat-chat. Ay, ang bilis. Parang bilis. Nakahapon lang. Ano ba? Ayos. Lang sila. Hi, meow meow!
Parang gulat siya.
Meow meow! Diyan. Oh. Alam namin saan kami bibilan ng dog and cat treats. Kasi nung 2023, nabol namin to kasi pa-closing na po.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, pero Friday ngayon, ang Friday,
Ay,
chat
next door daw. Open ba sila? Eh?
Next door.
Eh? It's closed. It's closed.
Nakakwento ko lang.
Ararara. Wala ba yung bang dog and cat mo na dito? No!
Kaya, nakakwento ko lang.
Ito yun eh. Ito yung shop na yun guys. Dog. Anong meaning?
Nalubat na. Dugdug.
Eh?
Baka mayroon pa naghanap tayo. Ano ba maganda kay mama? Ba to?
Tingin.
Same color?
Oh, 100 baht lang guys.
Ganda rin ang
Okay din yan.
Gawin ko sa gym. Ate kay mama, color of the year.
Ganda niyan. Sige. Hindi, magdalhin na lang natin. Maglagay tayo ng mga gamit.
Huwag
dyan
no,
na bibili.
binyagan ko. Dito na lang?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ay, din may plastic yun.
Sorry. Tinagalog. Sorry. Papunta.
Thank you so much. Bili na tayo ngayon yan.
Sa bahay. Ito. Hindi. Akala ko na picture ko.
Ganda nito.